Hello friends, today is our topic how to create sweep surface in Autodesk Inventor. Okay, firstly select a plane and start 2D sketch. Okay, let's select a line. Make it 30. Okay, let's draw a sketch. Now click OK. Let's dimension it. Five millimeter, 5 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 50 millimeter. Okay, now finish sketch. Now we have to draw a profile on this surface. Okay, let's select a plane. Okay, and start 2D sketch. Let's draw a circle, dimension it 2 millimeter. Finish sketch. Now go to sweep command. Click on sweep. It's asking profile. Select on profile. Now path. Select the path. Now we have two options, solid and surface. Click on surface and click OK. Now you can see we draw a sweep command. Okay, thank you.